Yo, what is up, guys? This is your boy BadBoy ng Dagat. And to kick things off this 2019, today I am going to make an introduction video about myself and talk a little bit about my channel. So guys, are you ready? Let's insert that intro. Yeah, guys, that's it. So, first and foremost, my full name is Peter John C. Lamug. And I am 20-ish years old. Yeah.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
I grew up in the northern part of the Philippines. High up in the mountains, which is in La Trinidad, Benguet. And yeah, shout outs to all my friends there, my batchmates in La Trinidad. That's a very cool place to grow up. Yeah, I've experienced a lot of things in that place, and it's gonna be always in my heart. So yeah, even though I grew up there, my parents actually are from Pampanga, and I work as a nurse here in the UK. And as you guys all know, I was into free diving. That was back in 2017, and that is where I got the name BadBoy ng Dagat. So back when I was diving, I used to wear a cap, sleeveless hooded shirts, and a non-absorbent jogger pants. So from then and there, my friends started to call me, "Uy, si BadBoy ng Dagat." So yeah, that's it. That's the history of the name. The next question is, PJ, why did you create your channel? In this fast-paced life of ours, in this what they call the race of life, most people are concentrated or focused in their work, drowning in their deadlines, and that is why I created this channel, because I aim to inspire you guys who are busy working, getting up early in the morning, going to work, going home in the evening, very tired, no time for yourselves, waking up early again and going to work, repeating that cycle over and over and over again. I think my channel is for you guys, because I aim to show you that there is a life behind those desks, behind those laptops, behind those hospital beds, behind those nurse stations. There is a life where we can chase our dreams, make some memories, and go for adventures. I want you people to see how I view the world through my lenses and through my vlogs. So yeah, if you're one of those people, guys, subscribe to my channel. And this 2019, I am hoping that this is gonna be the start of my channel moving forward. So as you guys all know, I made another video a week ago, and that was a music video. And I'm planning to release another one, which is gonna be a sequel to my video. It's gonna be, I don't know, it's gonna be released like 3rd week or 4th week of January. And in total, there are 3 more videos to come. So one is the sequel, that is the episode 2. And the other one is a prequel. So before that music video is another music video. That's Mimi's video. So there we go. Yeah, that's it. That's about my channel, guys. So that's a little bit about me and about my channel. So I hope you guys subscribe, and once again, I thank the people who are watching my vlogs. And yeah, I urge you to go out there, guys. Go out there and live life the way it should be truly lived. There we go. See you guys in the next vlog.